Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove system requirements not met watermark in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you have seen any watermark here which does not meet system requirements, then in this video, I'll teach you how to remove such. So navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, a system called command prompt would appear where here you need to proceed with run as administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window. Okay? So once you have opened the command prompt system, you need to proceed on pasting the command text depending on the build number or version that you have on the watermark. Now here, you would be able to see a build number and it would be either SV1 or either SV2. So for those Windows 11 Insider Beta forward or release preview channels contains build 22000 point or dot 588 and above, you need to choose SV1 and you need to copy this command text. But if you have SV2, which contains a build number of 22557 and above, you need to select the second command text, which is this. Again, simply observe the watermark there. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have to proceed on identifying the build number that you have. It might be an SV2 or SV1. Okay? So just be cautious on selecting the correct command text because we might have ended an error. Okay, so again, if you have build number of 2200 point or dot 588 and above there stated here in the watermark, choose this first command text. And if you have a SV2 which contains a build number of 22557 and above, you need to select this second command text. Okay? So let's say for example you have an SV2 which contains the specified build number. You need to copy it, Control C to copy. And here at the command prompt system, Control V to paste. And once the operation completed successfully, you just have to close this window and navigate to the start icon, click on it, tap on it. Okay. And the moment you have tapped on it, you need to proceed to the power menu options. So click on this power menu options and restart your computer. Now you may wonder why we need to restart. We need to restart in order to complete the process, okay? And in order to make any changes. So that's it. If you have successfully removed the watermark, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.